I went to visit his estate. I was in Berlin at the Berlinale to raise money to make this film about him. And all I had was the name of the town where he was from, and I had a postcard of what his house looked like and a long line of people waiting to get into the house. And so I hired a driver and we went to Friedenstal. And I stopped a woman on the street and I showed her the postcard and she said, "Oh, Villa Breitbart." So I had a villa. And she pointed and the name of the street was Breitbart. They named the street after him. And I go to the house, and there on the house, on the gates, are the iron bars that he bent around his arms on either side of the gates. And there's a plaque on the wall with his name and the dates and everything. And I knock on the door. And through the driver, who was my interpreter, there was a minister that opened the door. This was now part of church property. And when I told him who I was and why I was there, he started to get tears in his eyes. And he dragged me into the foyer. And there he had on the wall pictures of Breitbart and his various performances. And he said that he brings the local children in here from all the different schools so that they would know who he was and what he did for the town. And I showed him the postcard, and he told me that during the height of the worst economic times, Breitbart fed the entire village every day for lunch, even when he wasn't in town. That's the kind of person he was.